How are you, Angel? Good. Today we have special guest, Miss Angel.
Yeah.
Inshallah. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Good.
Thank you. Yeah.
How are things? Okay.
Yeah, everything
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
So today, Angel, she will show you how to go back. She will give you some trick about the drum from the left or right.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, correct. From
Yeah.
right side we have to see first and third drum.
And third drum. This is
Second,
you.
first
This is the trick you like.
Yeah, yeah. I like that.
And then from left.
From left, first and second drum.
Second
Have to
drum.
check. Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't like from right side also second drum.
But I tried many times. It's not
Not
okay for
working.
me. Yeah. First
Okay.
and third only will work. I hope.
Okay, Angel. Now we start, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. I try to fix that drum, but because of the area, no?
Yeah,
The
correct.
location is not.
That time checking now first and third only.
Even there, I keep there.
Mm.
The second drum become early.
Yes.
So the problem is from the location.
Mm.
Good, Angel, good. Yes. Always have to stop between here.
Yeah.
Center better. Yeah. Okay. Angel will start, go back reverse. She's from right side. You keep watching drum. 1 and 3. 1 and 3, no?
Yeah, 1 and 3.
Not second drum.
No. Second drum for me it's very difficult.
Difficult, eh? Okay, let me see. She will turn already. This 1 and 3. Like that. Yeah. Right mirror first.
Mm.
She will know if her car going inside from the bumper. Yeah. Yes, like that.
Yeah.
Keep going. Same turning because that. No, same turning. You know why?
Mm.
Because already you're 1 and 3, trick, okay.
Mm.
But you come back too much.
Oh,
That more than 1 and 3.
Mm.
What happened here,
Mm.
Angel?
Mm.
Become a little bit tighter.
Okay.
So what to do? Keep your steering.
straight.
No. You cannot do like that.
Ah,
Same turning. You have only one chance
yeah.
and one option only.
Okay.
Keep your steering full right, and you will see what will happen there.
Yeah.
If you touch, you will go again. If your car bumper going, that's good. You have little chance
Yeah, we'll try.
to tight. Yes. Go. Yeah. Continue. Yeah. There's a little chance. Good.
Yeah.
Again. Okay.
Now turn right, straight.
Aywa, straight. And then now we have to be careful only about
Yeah.
the mirror. This mirror.
Yeah.
You stop. If you see the mirror too close from the first drum, what you will do? You will turn left.
Definitely.
Only one step back.
Mm.
Why? You want to go away from the drum.
Yeah.
Alright? That's it.
Yeah.
Then straight back. Okay? So when you pass this drum,
Mm.
you have another problem where? Last two drum.
Last.
So what you do?
Again left.
Turn right.
Mm.
No, right. Before you move, turn right. One step back also. That is open.
Okay.
Okay, now straight. And you have to be careful again about second drum.
Mm.
But he's not touched.
Yeah.
But next time reduce.
Yeah.
We'll
reduce
come
the-
back
yeah,
from,
yeah.
from
I'm
the
not
right.
trying. Oh, yeah.
Aywa. That's why it's good for you 1 and 3. But sometimes if you come more,
Yeah.
problem.
Now I came more right.
More, no problem. At least you go out. Now we'll go to the left, yeah?
Left. Okay.
Try to go left. After that we go right again.
Okay.
So you can forget and you start again.
Okay.
And we turn to the left, yeah. Good. Because position straight. So you have to move and you can turn also, no problem. You need to stop center, you know. That's it. Okay, Angel?
Okay.
So now, of course,
Okay, I can see already.
you see already. That's fine. Yeah, it's 99%. Remember, 99%, huh? The second ramp, okay? But this location, like I tell you, is not that much big. Anyway, you will come early. That's the first time come near to you.
Yeah.
So we need to keep distance only. That's it.
Yeah.
Don't block the area,
Yeah.
okay? That is okay, that area. So where you have to keep the handle?
Handle straight.
Opposite.
Opposite.
Opposite like this. That's it.
Yeah.
And turn fully left. Yeah, you keep watching both sides. Straight. After that you stop, huh? Now, straight. Good. Alright, good. Yeah, yeah, okay. Today much better.
Yeah. Today I have little idea.
Yes,
And I changed my chapel even.
you change the chapel?
Yeah.
Good.
Maybe that chapel only confusing me.
Yeah.
You are correct.
Always use
Yeah.
chapel or
Today went correct chapel also.
the one comfortable.
Yeah. Because I thought with this chapel I couldn't do, but with this chapel also
You
okay.
can drive without also.
Yeah.
It's depend of you. How you comfortable. Now we are going where?
Right.
To the right side, yeah. To Rui. On the mirror in front of the first drum, you will turn fully right. You will come straight position.
Yeah.
You will fix your steering straight. You keep your feet at the brake.
Yeah.
Let the car move, no problem, yes. Good. Yes. Now,
Now first and
your special trick.
Hmm.
1 and 3.
Yeah.
Okay, Angel. 1 and 3. Tell me if you see the drum. Not same before what you do.
Yeah.
That is, you come back too much.
Yeah, this is correct.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
100%, Angel?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see this
Last
time.
time I done.
Last time you come right from there, yeah?
Yeah.
Now. Yeah, almost we're going inside, but
Yeah.
this time it's early, but it's good.
Yeah. It's good.
So look here, leave it about there because there too much distance, but here no. So what you do, you can put look out between,
Yeah.
or in this case, if you want, it look like too close.
Yeah.
So better think what you do,
Better to go little backward and put.
steering straight.
Straight.
This is the good idea.
Yeah.
So steering straight. Only you need to keep the handle inside a little bit because too tight. But that's it, don't much. And then turn fully
Then
right.
turn.
Fully right, yes. Because you're coming from the right, no?
Yeah.
So on the both sides straight. That's it. Don't stop. So last time you come late, this time you come early. So you can see the difference, no?
Yeah.
This is good for you.
Yeah.
So no more about when you come near to the drum.
One more time we'll go to right.
To the right,
Only
okay.
I will get the idea.
Okay, let's go to the right. Alright, Angel. Go ahead. What's in there? You can fully right there. That's why, because you're turning early. Next time, put the right mirror in front of the first drum.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, let's see. Tell me if you see the drum.
Yeah, correct.
Correct?
Now correct.
Okay. You will turn 40 right. If you come early, it's good. At least you have idea how you will fix the problem. You have chance also. Many chance. But if you come late, no problem. Yeah. Exactly. So, I think, what do you think? Your car going inside?
Yeah, I will keep straight and
No.
I will go. No?
No. It's okay what you do now,
Yeah.
but that time also you can, because
Oh.
the bumper is going inside. One step back, it's okay.
Oh.
What you do is good. Yeah. And then check only both sides, because here and there still the rest
Yes,
of them.
now okay, now okay.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah.
Always from the door when you are
Yeah,
here. He
yeah.
had the final. Huh?
Yeah.
You have to make sure.
Yeah.
Give yourself time to see the both
Yeah.
side. After you move,
Yeah, okay.
don't be rush. Okay. Good. Good, Angel. Thank you. Thank you, Angel.
So much.
You're welcome.
You only
Good luck,
teach me
inshallah.
this trick.
I hope you pass soon, inshallah.
You go to left?
Up to you. Now I'll go out.
Okay.
I will see you from outside. I need to see you from outside. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You gotta take care. Huh?
Okay.
Good. Good luck. All right, guys. So let's see Angel. She's going to right side. She will keep watching because she likes this trick 1 and 3. Let's see. 1 and 3. She likes this trick. So now she will stop. I think, yeah. She will turn to the right. Let's see if she becomes center or no, or early from the first round. Let's see. Yeah, become center. Correct. Need to continue. Go back. No, not yet. See, this is the problem. Why you do like this, Angel? Why? You already center. You already turning that time. You want to continue go back. See, you come tight again because you are going back one step. Angel, what happened? See, that time you car going inside already,
Yeah.
center.
Oh.
So you need to continue only
Okay.
until you both sides. Just stop. Why you go again to one back step? It's okay now. You can go, but tight from here, little. Okay. But next time, if you see your car bumper going inside, that means you are already inside. Okay. No problem. At least you go out. But that time already the car going inside. No need to go back, backwards, one step or two step. No need, because the car going inside. Okay, sir. You will go again right, huh? Because you are already doing 1 and 3, you know? Well, he's in a hurry. Careful. Yalla. One and 3. Let's see. She would do. Yeah, this time also correct. Hunter. She need only continue to go back. Same what she do last time. She need to only continue. No need to stop. Angel. Again you will do. Continue back. Your car going inside. Yeah, no need to stop. And you steering straight, no need. Angel, continue, yeah. See? If you do this one before, it will become like that. You have to see how your car going. I know now, both sides straight, go ahead like a gazelle. Angel, see if you do this before, same this what happened before, same now.
Okay.
But what happened that time? You go back.
Again,
Hey, yalla, good. Now she know. You know what the difference is. Good. Okay, good, Angel. Angel. Yes, 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 yes. Good, good, Angel.
Now left.
After you, after you. Go left now, yeah, no problem. So Angel, she's going left. He's left. Would she go back? It's okay, perfect. Always she come too close from her first drum and then she can make it. We're watching drum number 2, 99%. 99%, yes. But this first drum will come through from her left side, too close. Okay. Let's see. Angel, it's okay, no? You can keep your steering straight, you know?
Yeah.
So why you are turning, why you turning left, right, sorry. Keep your steering straight and go back straight to where? To the first drum.
Yeah.
Only look to the handle, huh? The handle should be opposite. Remember this, huh?
Yeah.
Not yet, yeah. That's it, don't go too much also. This is opposite, right?
Yeah. Correct.
If you go more, it will be difficult from right side. Let's see. Correct. Go side straight. She will slope. Steering straight, yes. She will go. Good. Yalla, Angel. Angel, you go left again?
Yeah.
Look. Okay. Angel, she's good from left. We will keep watching drum number 2, 99% from the first time, that one. And then she will look the second drum from blind spot. And if you see 99, you stop. 90 also no problem for this car. Alright, looking there, she already turned. Anyway, she will come too close from first drum. Only she need to keep distance here. Important to keep distance, not tight distance. Yeah, steering straight, good. And also, more important here, the final. Where you have to keep the handle, back handle, go. Should be opposite. She turning early. And then she will become close from here. Let's see what she will do. She will come close. She need to stop again. She come here, they see, become tight. So in this case, you stop. Steering straight. Steering straight. Yeah, she have to do steering straight. Steering straight, and then she keep the handle where? Inside this time. Why is too tight? Angel, this time you are too tight. So where you have to, no wait. No, wait. Don't turn, because if you turn, you come too close. So Keep your steering straight. This handle back door should be where facing the drum from inside here. Okay. More. Bas, not much. Only facing the drum. Not inside, huh? Not after the drum. It's facing the drum. Then you have to turn. Because why? You are too tight, Angel, right? So because you're turning before, you keep big distance, and you're turning early, and then you car coming too tight from the first drum. Okay. And that time you have to fix your steering straight. You keep the handle inside the drum. Okay. What happened before you? Okay.
I don't know, maybe checking that.
No problem. Let's see again what she will do. I'll keep quiet. Not talk. Angel, you will go left. You try your best. I will not tell you, huh? Okay? Yeah, let's see. Let's see what you do. No need stone. Yeah. Be without stone. Yeah, she turned already. She become too close from first drum, I know. Only she need to keep distance. Not too tight. If too tight, handle inside. Big distance, the handle opposite. But you have to know where you have to keep the handle. Yes, like that. Okay. You will stop. But not much. This is too much also. That's okay, she will go. Why? Come tight here because she go back too much. That is not opposite. That is more than opposite. So from this area, she come tight. That's the problem. You need to keep the handle exactly opposite, 1 feet distance. I mean, feet distance only. If more than, you become tight from here, big distance from here. So she cannot make it. Yeah, too tight. Angel, too tight. You cannot make it. No, you make it worse again.
Okay.
Angel, go again. Angel, you have to remember where you have to keep the handle, no? Should be opposite. That is more than opposite.
More than opposite.
More than.
Okay.
Should be only 1 feet. Like one hand, you know? That is too much. Remember, okay? At the beginning she is okay, but now I don't know what happened. Only when I make video for her. Yeah. Alright, let's see again. Okay, Angel, you can make it. This time. Well, at least. Let's see. You start turning. It's okay. Again, she will come too close from her first drum. Let's see what we do here. What she will do. Let's see. Of course, she will keep distance, same before. But most important, the handle. Where you're going to keep the handle. Guys, important. The handle guide you to the entrance, the final. Because if you are keeping big distance from there, should be before opposite. Okay. What she did, correct, because she keep big distance and he turned before opposite. Yeah, good. You have to continue going back. Yes, good, 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 Angel. Good. Continue. Yeah, 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 yeah. Aywa. Good. Super. Now, both sides straight. Go ahead. Yes. Okay. Finally. Good, Angel.
Now correct, no?
Yeah. You know this, what you do? It's correct, yeah. You're keeping big distance this time.
Yeah. I think big distance okay.
Big distance, but should be before opposite.
Okay.
Mean the handle should be before
Before
opposite.
opposite.
Before,
Okay,
little
okay.
bit.
Okay.
There you are. Okay?
Okay.
But what you did, okay.
Okay.
Correct, yes.
Now we'll go to right.
Up to you now. خلاص. I will close the video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Wish her good luck. Angel, inshallah she will pass soon.